Hey everyone, so welcome to my vlog. My name is Charlize Rose and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, so I would appreciate it if you guys click subscribe and possibly like and comment on this video because I would love to chat with you guys. Today I'm going to be vlogging my first day of school. I did transfer from FIDM, so the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising in Los Angeles, to another school for my business degree, getting a degree in business marketing for my bachelor's, and I got my AA degree at FIDM. It's my first full day. I did have a class at 8:30 and I kind of vlogged a little bit. My camera died, which is a great start. Since my camera died, I couldn't vlog too much. Today's video is not only going to be documenting my experience of Zoom University, but it's also going to be telling you guys how I kind of like to organize my Zoom classes and my classes online, since I know motivation can really lack if your classes are online. Numerous reasons why your mind is not totally 100% into the class, and that is okay. I am here to help. I'm also going to be showing you guys what I like to do just to keep me organized, and I can go a little bit more in depth in it in another video if you guys would like. Kind of like to say or like to think that I'm pretty good at organizing. I'm a pretty organized person. I don't like a lot of things cluttered around me because I can't think that way. I literally organize everything in folders. I go through all my emails. Right now, since I had a class at 8:30, I am waiting for my next class at 1, but I did not get a Zoom link for it. I'm guessing it's because I'm waitlisted. It's all okay. Right now, I'm just kind of sitting at my ratchet desk. One thing you guys want to know is my room is kind of under renovation. We just recently put in a new dresser right there. I'm going to get a new desk. This is just a little folding table that I have temporarily. Shopping for desks on IKEA, and we're gonna get an actual desk in this room, not to worry. This was my setup. I had a tissue here because I cried. No, I'm just kidding. I'm okay. I had a tissue here because I had coffee and I was scared I was gonna spill it because I spill everything. I have a lot to do and it's already 11. I just scheduled a post office pickup for my packages that I wanted to ship out to people. Now I'm probably going to rest, maybe take a nap. Yeah. Hey guys, realistically I wanted to have a productive day, but I am so tired. I only had 6 hours of sleep last night and it's only 1:35, so I guess the day hasn't gone by too much, but I think I'm gonna take like a 30-minute power nap because I'm really tired. I just want to kind of show you guys what my agenda looks like. I'm on my bed and I'm gonna be moving to my desk soon, so don't worry. I have my planner all laid out. It was really messy last week. This is this week. So basically this is how I line up my planner, but this is my first time using a spread like this. This is not the academic spread, and this planner is from Bloom Planners, by the way, and it looks like this. It's really pretty. Wrote down my classes for the week, and then you have like your weekly focus. So I put starting strong with first day. Wait, yeah, starting strong with first day of school. I think I meant to put first week of school. It has your columns here, so I wrote down and I color code my classes, which is something I really recommend. I highly recommend doing that because I'm taking 5 classes, 6 if I get into one of the classes that I was mentioning. I take 5 classes right now and I color coded each one. And that's really important because I don't get confused. And then at the bottom, I'll write a to-do. So for my to-dos, I have to find my textbooks and activate my McGraw-Hill, which is software my school uses for homework. I have to do some post office stuff. I don't want to actually go to the post office. I scheduled a pickup. I'm gonna work out, but since I'm really tired, we're gonna see. I have to read, and then I have to do my desktop calendar, which I'll show you guys what I do with that. To look at the note-taking job I want to do. So basically, I know a lot of schools offer this. Basically, they ask for a student to take notes and then you sell your notes and you make money from it. And then I have to check out clubs, and then I have to look at a lecture, and then all of my workouts are here. So this is what I kind of like to do to organize my workouts. I like to work out 6 times a week, or at least be active 6 times a week, and I get 1 rest day. Put 1 day because I don't like scheduling them per day because the weather switches. Sometimes I'm tired or sometimes I have things thrown at me during the day and I'm just like not able to do it. Put 1 day, and then I check it off as I go. I do 1 ab cardio workout. I do 1 legs butt cardio workout. I do 1 cardio / high intensity interval training workout. 1 day for walking, 1 day rest, 1 day abs and butt, and 1 day run. I want to get into running. It's really hard. And I put the asynchronous classes that I have right here. And then right down here it indicates what I ate during the day because I like to track what I ate just so I look back on it and it's like, oh, so I remind myself don't eat too greasy today. And then this is all of the little water, so I like kind of color it in how much water I drank that day. And I also have this app called MyFitnessPal, and that basically does the calorie tracking. I've just been sitting here talking to my brother and sister. I will get on the grind in a few minutes. Sis needs to just go to sleep. I usually don't get 6 hours of sleep. I usually get 8 hours of sleep, so it's really rare for my body to get 6 hours of sleep, and I just don't function. Okay guys, I must confess, I woke up from a nap, fell asleep at 2, I woke up at 3, and now it's 5. So I was just kind of laying in bed for another 30 minutes. You know what? The first day of school really gets to you, especially after summer break. I'm always like this. I don't know if you guys are like this too, but especially after summer break, I get really exhausted after the first day of school, even if when this was long before the pandemic. Right now what I'm gonna do is, since I am finished with classes for the day, part of my to-do list is to plan out my week and just plan out basically like the semester. I typically like to do this on the first day of class all the time. It just gets me more organized, more motivated mood. The more organized I am, the more motivated I'll be. It really helps. So that's one of my tips, is just to be organized and make sure you have like a clean space whenever you are in your Zoom lectures and your Zoom classes. One thing that I did last night is I organized all of my stuff by folder. I kind of organize everything by folders based off of my classes. Every time I get an announcement from that class, I'll put it into its designated folder, and I even have subfolders. And let me tell you, it really helps. It helps a lot. I applied to some of those, and I applied to clubs. I'm starting to get emails rolling in, so I'll create a club folder. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my school's site where I can find all of my classes. I am going to look through each of the syllabus, write down all of the due dates onto my desktop calendar. I have these colored pens here given, and my sister let me borrow these, so thank you, Isabella. What I like to do is I write it down in my planner as well. I'm just going to be sitting here for the next hour or so. Hey everyone, it is a little later now. It is 8:30 and the last clip I filmed was at 5:30. My makeup is starting to fall off. I'm starting to get really tired. Confession to make, I got really tired and hungry that I decided to stop, and I went upstairs, got food. I watched an episode, the first episode of All American. I was like, I should really get back to it. So I'm getting back to planning. I have Spotify on now. It's all good. So round 2. Everyone, so you may be asking, Charlize, why do you look so different? It's because it's the next day. I said that I was preparing for my classes last night. I did. I found all the books I needed and I kind of went through all the syllabi, but I did not get to prepare my calendar because it was taking so much longer than expected. Before I knew it, it was already 9 p.m. and I woke up at like 7. I was just super tired, read my book, and I fell asleep. So I'm just gonna combine this into another day. I have classes Monday and Tuesday mainly, and then the rest Wednesday to Friday I'm completely off. I don't need to log on to anything. I just have like homework and stuff. I'm about to prepare for my class. My battery's gonna die as usual, so I'm gonna go charge it. So this is what I have so far. I only have I really have like 5 classes, but my bio lab and my bio lecture count as one class, even though they're 2 separate classes. So I'm gonna have 5 different colors, but it's really 4 classes. As you can see, Sundays are gonna be my busy days. This is all one class, this is one class. And I can try to link these pens down below if you guys are interested. They're really nice, as you can see. Make my writing look really nice. I'm just gonna go through here and sit through here, maybe even turn this on. So I can get some peppermint to calm my nerves. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. It is 5:10 p.m. I had some like Brussels sprouts and I had some food delivered here, so we ate that as a family. And one thing I gotta say is that I'm not used to doing school at home anymore because I moved away for college. I could get used to this. My family, they were bringing me down food while I'm in Zoom. I finished my calendar finally. It's just that I have to update it all the time because one of my professors, he didn't upload all of the dates for the semester of due dates and stuff like that. I have it posted on the wall, that's why I keep on looking, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So this is my calendar. This is like my Ratchet workspace. We went through this. So it basically color coded here. I messed up right here, and then I highlighted it too. And this is what I'm talking about. I only have like one of them here because he updates it as he goes because it's a lab. One of the things on my to-do list for the day is to go through my agenda, write down all of my assignments for each class, and the light is bad because I'm against the light. As I was saying, I have to write down my assignments for each class because there's already a lot. I'm going to try to figure out on doing that with this planner, and then after that I'm probably going to organize my school supplies and probably find notebooks around my house, set up my pens and paper and stuff around. Second class of the day officially done at like 8 p.m. This class was like pretty okay. It was okay. I was really tired. Like my concentration gets below 100 after 6 p.m. I know this class is going to be like a little bit more challenging for me to concentrate. Finished my agenda and I can show you guys briefly of what I put inside of it. I'm still playing around with the format, but this is what I used to do in high school. So right now I just wrote down all my classes, as you guys saw, my workouts, little notes for myself, meals, and I color in my water, and I already went through all that, and I wrote down the to-dos for the day. So I did not work out yesterday, so I just kind of transferred that day to a rest day and I checked that off. Since I have these classes for the day, I write down the homework that was assigned that already like completed it, and I'll highlight it in its designated color. I'm pretty much done for the day, and I am pretty much done for the week. The rest of the week it's gonna look like the same thing that I've done for the past 2 days. I'm going to end this vlog here, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great day, great night whenever you're watching this and got something out of this video. Bye!